How to customize a combo meal on Wendy's menu. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's combo meal menu. Here you'll find all the combo meals. You can simply select the one you prefer. After you've selected the one you prefer, you'll find all the informations what are available. Now, you need to open wendys.com again in a new page. Click on the menu and then in the menu select what were included in your combos. After you've selected what were included in your combos, click on Start in Order. After you click on Start in Order, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply type in your state, zip code, or city name and such. Then select where you want to order from. After you've selected where you want to order from, it will lead you to this page. Here, on the left side, click on Make It a Combo. After you click on Make It a Combo, you'll find Choose Your Drink. Choose what was in the combo meal you saw earlier. You can simply click on the drink and then it will lead you to more variations. After you've selected the drink, choose the flavor as well and what you want to include in the drink. Then it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Add at the bottom and then Order. And this is how to customize a combo meal on Wendy's menu. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.